Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about Liondesk and how to use Liondesk as beginners. So as you can see over here, we are at the desktop, and at desktop we have searched liondesk.com, and as you can see over here, we don't need a credit card to try out 30 days trial. So let's try 30 days trial, and obviously I'm making a new account, so everything you know from the bottom you will know everything. So I'm just gonna fill this up and I'm gonna meet you later. So here we are at the dashboard of Liondesk. So obviously you can see that we have so many options over here, but for now look at the left side and you can see there are more options over here where this website, and here you are going to work like on this menu, and we will talk about them also. So right now over here you can see the vitals like how many contacts, inbound text, and opened emails, clicked emails, and so on. So on the right side you can see the contact filters if you want to add contact. So obviously we will talk about that later. Simply task over here, and obviously recently activity, what is happening in your account. So this is very simple, it's like a news feed and everything will be in front of you. That's all. Just if you log in and you will find out like what is going on and what has happened in my account. So yeah, on the left side you can see that right down below to the home, sorry, we will find contacts. So if we click on contacts, it will take you right over here, and you can see that we can create contacts, we can import it, you can sync email account. If you have any email account like Google account, they will add your account numbers, how many numbers if you have added to your account, they will sync them over here. And obviously power dialer. So obviously we have only one which is pre-made number, and this is maybe my number, and you can create it from here like if you want to add new number. So if you click on it, you can set the personal information. Obviously a very simple method how you like add contacts. Obviously let's name them, like if I'm going to name them, okay, so, and you can set the primary email if you want, number, home number, office number, fax, company, every single details you want to mention for the new contact. And if we scroll down, there are more additional information. If you want to add that, you can do that too. You can add tags, like you can add tags like this person should work for the YouTube. If I want to add tag, this will be my new tag. And if I'm going to add multiple people for the YouTube section, I will tag them to the YouTube so we can find them easily. Obviously you can set the hotness level, what like it's like a priority level like hot, warm, or like low, high, medium. It's just like that. And you can set comments over here also, and just click on create. It will add, obviously at create contacts option. You can see that we can find that favorite fields, what are the fields which we have added, like my number, my email. You can just customize it if you want, like if you want to add that you can do that too. And that's it, you will find them over here. On the right side you can see there are multiple options also where you can set this person, like if you want to set some tasks for this person, some campaigns, you can set them also over here. And obviously you can see his activity all over here. You can set the tasks, you can set the campaigns, and we will talk about them later. So just wait for it. And inbox and schedule, if you want to add that, you can do that too. So this is pretty much a simple context options which you can do. So if we go at communications now, you can see that we can send emails through here, like you can set emails directly. You can choose a template if you want to, but for this tutorial and for the beginning tutorial, I guess it's enough. Just set the email, and you can set them, send them to someone if you want to send them, or you can just send a text through mobile number, obviously. And yes, you can just compose a text, click on it, and it will take you right over here. Simple as that. You can also choose a template also, which is very, like, I think it's a very good way to add templates also, because it will be very easy for you to do quickly to your work. So just go back. It's a very simple thing, communications. And now we have task. Click on task and it will take you right over here. Just create task, obviously current, our all upcoming, overdue, completed. It's all categorized and filtered. So we are going to create task first. So click on it, it will take you right over here. Categorize it like none if you want to do that. Call, open house. Just for this tutorial, I'm just going with the meeting. So obviously status, it has completed or not. So you can set the description, YouTube video meeting. You can set the notes, and obviously who are you assigning to. So just click on it, and I'm gonna be the assignee for it. So just click on it, or you can just go ahead, click on contact assignee. So for this tutorial, I'm just going with this, and normal things which you want to do that you can do over here. Just set the task for that person, notify if you want, send a reminder, context. If you want to add contact, you can do that too. Due date and recurring schedule. It's a very simple thing. You can add anything regarding your work and just click on create task. Obviously, we need to add due date, and it has been added. Why it hasn't been shown yet? Why? Because currently it's not available. But if we go add all upcoming, I think you will find it. Yep, here we are. This is the meeting which we will need to do. So the next thing is campaigns. If we click on campaigns, you will end up over here. You can publish campaigns, templates, landing pages. It's a very different topic and very different tutorial. But for this beginning tutorial, I don't think you need to know everything over here, because it's a very marketing based. And if you need something like related to it, please comment down below. I will share it with you. So just click on it and go to videos. Obviously you can add videos too over here, so you can like your users and everyone else can see that video. You can see the marketing, like if you want to like if you want to use this feature for your Facebook marketing and you can share with the landing pages, you can do that too. It's also a very different tutorial for marketing base, so these both are very different. And I don't think for the beginning tutorial you just need to know about that, because before going further, I think you need to go and refine your skills over here. And also you can set documents, you can add documents in it if you want. You can set transactions if you want, reporting. If you click on reporting, obviously it's reporting, like you can see the all analysis around like what is going on in your account, what is how many people doing your work and not. So everything you will see over here, like email send, text send, outbound calls, what is going on, you will find out everything over here. So basically this is all you need to know about, like how to use Liondesk. And it's very basic, it's for the beginning tutorial. And as you can see over here, we have two contacts over here and vitals can show us. And obviously you can add filter, contact filter. If you want to do that, you can do that too. So it's very easy. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries and if you want to see more videos like this, so just comment down below and let us know. Please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want marketing with tutorial for this, just let me know right down below. Thank you. Bye bye.